Welcome back. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to use the convert to sheet metal. It converts the solid or the surface into the sheet metal so that you can apply all the sheet metal parameters. First of all, go to convert to sheet metal options and it asks you to provide the sheet metal parameters. First option is use material sheet metal. If you try to click it, it says there is no material applied to this part. First of all, you have to apply the material and then you can check it. For detail, you watch my previous video. And in the sheet metal gauge, you can use the gauge table directly for the different options available here. Or you can use your own customized Excel table and upload it. Now, in the sheet metal parameter, you have to select the one fixed face. I'm selecting this face. And let's provide the thickness 2 mm, and let's provide the bend radius 5 mm. Now you can change the direction a bit, thickness direction you can see in preview, or you can use the keep body or uncheck it. If this option is off, that is now is off now, that it says that the original solid body is replaced by the sheet metal feature. But if you check it, then the original solid body remains with the new created sheet metal. This time we don't want to keep the body, so let's say the select the bend edges, this edge. You can select the multiple edges at a time, and the show callout means the dialog box for the detail specific edges, it will show or remove. And the rip as found it created by the SolidWorks, again you can check the callouts or uncheck them. And the important option here is a corner default. You can see the change in corner default by selecting these options. First of all, this is the open bot, and this one is overlap, and it is underlap. Let's see. Change to the open bot and overall. This is the positions of these created flanges. You can change as your requirement. Now this is the gap you have to define. Try to change it. The gap becomes narrower. If you go to 3, it is wider. Let's keep it 2, and this is the overlap ratio, and this overlap ratio is actually the percentage. That is the, if your thickness is 2 mm and if your ratio is 0.5, you have to multiply it with it. That is the 0.5 into thickness, that means 2 into 0.5, which gives the 1 mm. That means the overlap distance is 1 mm. Now you can change the K factors. You can use the bend allowance and deductions. And in the auto relief, you can change the type of auto relief. Now after selecting all of your options, you can select OK. And now this solid body you created converted into the sheet metal. Try to flatten it. Go to normal. You can see the beautiful finished sheet metal product. That much in the convert to sheet metal. This is very useful while converting, while creating a SolidWorks sheet metal final part, and it saves your time a lot. That's how we use the convert to sheet metal.